Promised you though that I was going to show you something cool with the calculator, right? Not just this multiplying stuff, which is pretty boring to be honest, but I want you to look for this button, okay? It is, let's see, toward the left of your calculator, in the middle, it's one of the little ones, okay? Now, what I want you to do is go back to this original calculation, okay? This 7 3/4, 5 1/2, we end up with this. To get 42 and 5/8, okay, that's the first step, right? Literally, this is what I type. I type 42, okay? Then I press the shift button because I want to make a mixed numeral, not just a regular fraction, okay? So shift and then the fraction button, which I think looks like this. Okay? That'll put a mixed numeral. Whoops, pressed it wrong. That'll put a mixed numeral on your display and you'll be on the numerator. Then you press 5 because that's what the numerator is. And then to go down to the denominator, you have to press down, I think. So you press down and then you can type 8. Okay? That'll give you the denominator and then you can press equals. It gives it back to you as an... What have you got on your calculator? It should be giving you an improper fraction, right? It's giving you back this. Okay, watch this. Put your calculators down for a second. Watch for the magic, okay? This button here. What is this button? Okay. I don't know if you know. These are symbols. Okay? These are symbols here. Okay. They're 3 separate symbols. Does anyone recognize what the first symbol is? You all know it. We're using it. It's not a full size. It does look like a full size.
It's a degree.
A circle. It's a circle, not a square. I heard it. It's a degree sign. Okay, now stay with me. I'm not finished yet. The first symbol is degrees. Okay. The second symbol and the third symbol. They are about ways of breaking up degrees because sometimes, you know, for example, if you're going very, very long distance, like on a boat, it's not enough to be 1 degree accurate. You need to divide it up, right? So after degrees, just like hours are broken up into minutes, degrees are also broken up into minutes. There are 60 minutes in a degree. So you can picture how big a degree is. It's pretty small, isn't it, right? Well, minutes are even smaller. Okay. The last measurement there, that one on the end with the 2 marks, being that this is called minutes, what do you think these are called? They're called seconds. And by the way, just because you guys know I like words, right? The reason why minutes are called minutes is because they are minute. They're small.
I'm a genius.
That's literally all it means. Seconds are called seconds because they're the second minute division of whatever you're interested in, whether it's time or degrees. Now, here's where the cool thing is. Now pick your calculator back up. You've got 341 over 8 on there. I want you to press this button. It's called the degrees, minutes, seconds button. I want you to press it just once. Here's what I see. It says this, 42, 37, 30. Now, I know we're not thinking of angles. Again, the button you're looking for looks like this. Okay? But angles and hours are broken up in exactly the same way. You recognize these numbers, right? So, in the future, anytime you get a time measurement, okay, like this, and you end up with a fraction, okay, simply go to this degrees, minutes, seconds button. You just have to press it, and just like converting between a decimal and a fraction, this will convert you into, well, this is an angle, so it's degrees, but you can just as easily think of it as hours, minutes, seconds. Okay? Super cool trick that you can use. Okay?